Hello everyone, welcome back. So I'm trying to show you a quick video of how I do my flat twists. You probably won't be able to grab it in this video because I cannot make a super long video. It will be boring and just monotonous. But I actually run classes to teach how to do this. So you might want to pop in and just run a couple of courses to be able to learn how to do this properly. So we are installing today's flat twist with extensions, kinky hair extensions, and trust me, it's a combination of things that you need to know to be able to get it properly done like this, because I've gotten a lot of people that say, why your flat twist look different from mine, look different from what I'm used to, look different from what I got done. So there is a technique to doing it, and unless you know how to do it, you might not be able to get it exactly the way it is. So that is it. Then this technique also ensures that your client's hair is safely installed, and there's no damage to her edges or her hairline or her scalp, or any damage done to the follicles. So you might want to check that out. And we did it on I chose to pre-stretch the hair this time, not so much pre-stretching, but we blow dried on very low heat so that we'll have enough stretch to work with. And I didn't want any curls or kinks wasting my time, because I needed to step out quickly and finish the hair. So, and also another thing I did was pre-part all the lines ahead to save time. I didn't want to be making and then parting again after making. So I pre-parted every single thing and ensured that the parts were in place before I started making. And then I did not moisturize it before we started, because she had moisturized the day before. Just as I said, I didn't want any kinks, I didn't want to work with shrinkage. So I ensured to not moisturize it before I started. So that's about it. And I love flat twists because it keeps your hair properly stretched when you take down when you take down the hair. Also, you can access your scalp and your hair for moisturizing, for oiling, for pretty much whatever you want to do, except deep conditioning. So that's about it for flat twists, and it's a fantastic style. It's not boring. I mean, just check this out. It's so pretty, and definitely a conversation starter, head turner. Everybody, you get everyone asking, where did you do this? And also join me and watch this video, and thank you very much. Stay tuned. Bye.